So we're gonna take that off. I can see there's some, it looks like oil, maybe it's not. Apparently this needs to be cleaned out a lot. And there's one right here and one underneath I gotta get at. It's the almost worst. Right up in here is another one. Come on. Last time I botched my finger doing this. I think I just did it again. Oh. Excuse me. I'll take that off. I don't see any white or milk. So it should be pretty good as far as like moisture getting in there. Okay. Apparently these solenoids can go bad. So, and that's venting from the gas tank to here. I just took it off. I'm gonna go get a voltmeter real quick. So 20 ohms, 20 ohms of resistance, 21 ohms of resistance. Okay. Okay, so that's fumes. A little bit of dirt. But seriously, this should not be in any way plugged. So there we go. It's a 13. Is that a small back? It's not perfect. I will need an extender though. My goodness, I'm losing my voice here. I need some friggin' water soon. I'm gonna break my arm doing this. Okay, we got it. We're good. It's all good. There we go. Okay, so I just took out the solenoid. Okay, so it's not open, which is good. It's not open by default. That's the solenoid right there. It turns a valve for stuff off and on. That's not plugged. Gross. Fuel. Yucky. So now I got to figure out. Now I got to figure out if this is a problem, which I don't know if it is or not. So the idea would be to hook up 12 volts to it, blow into it and hit it, and you should be able to blow through it, right? Because the solenoid opens up. So just about every single component on a car is 12 volts. So I have no problem there. So does this have electrical charge? I guess we'll find out right now. Yes, it does. Okay. So I cannot touch those. If I do, bad things happen. So we're going to go in. What's positive, what's negative? Damn it. If I do it wrong, I'm fucked. That way, so positive is this top one. There we go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Here we go. Listen, listen. I heard it click on and off a few times, so I don't think my solenoid's a problem. Yeah, I don't think it is. I hear it clicking on and off. So, congratulations, we just troubleshooted the solenoid. So, the likelihood of this being the problem, pretty damn slim. It goes into the throttle body, which is where, ow, fuck, which is where throttly things happen. So what I'm going to do is, because I know the ladies love it, I'm going to give this a little blow. And it goes in to the, oh, getting gas in my eye. So we're good there. So this has been troubleshooted. Let's put it back together. I hate blowing on things. I'm sure you're there with me. Usually ends in somebody being disappointed. All right, let's put this together again. So I'm gonna clip it into here. Would you look at that? Just like the brochure promised. Shove it down into this little hole. Oh yes, the feelings. They're so good. Oh, give it a little jiggle. Just like, yes, okay, just like that. All right, so we're clipped in. The bolt I got to put back in. I just lost my tool into my vehicle. No. Okay, so the EVAP system is A-okay.